I have did a review for the very first Ignition Model Pandem Civic in gun metallic. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And today, let's focus on the Tarmac Works exclusive Pandem Civic in metallic red. Apart from the wheel sets and colors, both models are completely identical. As always, the casting comes with a standard presentation case and a Tarmac white sleeve. I purchased this from the Tarmac Webstore, which was sold out in an instant. And I'm glad I got this Civic because the color is fabulous. As compared with the gun metallic, the red really stands out. And now let's take a closer look at the Pandem Civic in metallic red. As always, the metal plate with engraving is consistent across all Civic models. This metallic red on the Civic is really awesome. Not to mention the high gloss finish made this Civic looks very premium. However, I can't say much to the wheel set. This Pandem disc wheel set is not really to my liking, but otherwise just like the gun metallic Civic, all is good and is very beautifully crafted. Not just on the larger scale, I really like how Ignition Model pay attention to all these fine details even in 164. Although I do prefer the wheel set on the gun metallic, the red metallic color on this Civic is spot on, and its premium colors will definitely look awesome in die-cast photography. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone, bye!